Hello everyone who's watching wherever you may be. I just received a box right now and I'm excited to see what's inside, and I'm going to show you this cool Ipanema. So it's a bag from Ipanema. I'm going to put this down here. Cute pink and white bag. Oh, I love this bag. It feels so nice. And the stuff inside. So, let's see. There's a cute pink beach towel and it says Ipanema on it. How adorable is that? And I've got a white and pink Ipanema flask. See? Cute. I think the theme here is pink. Okay. And oh, this is so cute, a little Ipanema bag. Inside this bag to keep my stuff, like a purse, to keep my stuff safe inside my beach bag. And then, oh look, I'm going to wear this. It's a little sandal keyring. How cute. Oh, and dum dum dum, the moment I was waiting for. Ipanema sandals. How adorable. It says 100% vegan, eco-friendly production, 100% recyclable, and other stuff. It's really cute. Can't wait. Let me put this there. And this adorable bag. Thank you so much, Ipanema. Love the color scheme, love the sandals, love all of these gifts. Thank you so much. I'm Nabihah from to find out more about Ipanema and their brand and what they're doing here in South Africa, or what they're doing in general, go to our website on iloveza.com and find out some news from there. I'm Nabihah and I love Ziyaad. Thank you so much.